Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Udemy, start learning online step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or launch the Udemy app on your phone. Type udemy.com in the address bar and press enter, or tap the Udemy app icon to open it. Make sure you are on the official Udemy website or the official Udemy mobile application. Look at the top right corner of the Udemy homepage for the login button. Click Login on desktop, or tap Account and then choose Login on mobile. Choose the login method you used when creating your Udemy account. If you created your account with an email, select the option to log in with email. Click or tap the email field and carefully type your email address. Click or tap the password field and enter your password exactly as you set it. Check that caps lock is off to avoid typing the wrong password. Click or tap Login to access your Udemy account. If you used Google to sign up, select Continue with Google and choose your Google. If you used Apple to sign up, select Continue with Apple and complete the Apple sign-in steps. If you used Facebook to sign up, select Continue with Facebook and confirm access if prompted. If Udemy asks for verification, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it is you. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password and enter your email address. Open the password reset email from Udemy and click the reset link inside. Create a new password, save it somewhere secure, and then return to the login page. After logging in, confirm you see your profile icon or name at the top of the screen. Use the search bar to find a course by typing the topic you want to learn. Press Enter or tap Search to view the list of available courses. Click a course to open its page and review the title, rating, and course details. If you already purchased the course, click Go to Course or Start Learning. If you have not purchased it, click Add to Cart or Buy Now and follow the payment steps. Go to My Learning to see all courses you own in one place. Select a course and click Resume to continue from where you left off. Adjust video quality, captions, and playback speed for a comfortable learning experience. If you have any issues, open the Help Center from the menu and search for login support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.